Hello, my name is Manuel Antonio Bueno Ontiveros.
My name is Manuel Alejandro Castañeda García.
My name is Cassandra Guadalupe Álvarez.
My name is Bernardo Mesa Alcaraz.
My name is Martingale Ramgani.
Today we will talk about how to solve health issues. Today, diabetes.
Diabetes is a disease characterized by high blood sugar levels. Over time, this can cause serious problems. Even if a person does not have diabetes, they can also have health problems if their blood sugar is too low or too high. There are two types of diabetes. These are classified as type 1 diabetes, mellitus, and type 2 diabetes. In the first of the time, patients do not produce insulin and therefore this hormone must be administered every day.
While type B disease is the ascendant can only be detected what is advanced and here complicated have and rate occurred tendency cause and disease is B is worthy secondary lipid among the uncommon condition of patient blinded amputation or lower extremity kit for the ingrid case of myocardial infarction, heat, emotional burden, acid, chronic are dependent in disease.
On the other hand, the symptoms that diabetic present are increased thirst and the urge to urinate, increased appetite, fatigue, blurred vision, numbness or tingling in the hands or feet, ulcers that not heal, and weight loss for no apparent reasons. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of the disease. It's caused by several factors including lifestyles and genes. Overweight, obesity and physical inactivity, insulin resistance, genes and family history.
The current situation of diabetes in Mexico is worrisome. It is estimated that the population in Mexico of the people with diabetes between 6.5 and 10 million being a problem because diabetes can also cause opportunity disease.
If you have diabetes, it is important to keep your blood sugar at a certain level. You may need to measure it several times a day. Your healthcare provider will also do a test called A1C that looks at your average blood sugar over the past 3 months.
3. But if you are at a risk for developing diabetes, you may be able to avoid or delay it. Most of the things you need to involve a better lifestyle.
If you make the change, you will also get other health benefits. You can lower your risk of the disease and you will probably feel better and have more energy. The changes are lose weight, follow a healthy health plan, no smoking. Another series of suggestions will be eliminate sugar and refined carbohydrates for your diet, exercise regularly, make water you may drink, lose weight if you are overweight of obsessed.
Thank you very much and take your precautions.